Hello, everybody. This is Mark Stepp. Another update for you to take a look at. Some of you guys have requested the ability to do some duplicate checking. And so what we've done is tried to find a easy way of dealing with duplicates based off of different fields. So whenever you come into your contacts database and you're looking at the list, you can choose to order by certain columns. So just as a for instance, if you wanted to sort by the first name, you can just click on the little two little arrows and you'll see that it either sorts it ascending with the up arrow or descending with the down arrow. The other thing you can do is if you want to search on or filter on multiple names, sort on multiple names, you can hold your control key or your command key if you're on a Mac and click on the other column. So if I come here, now you'll see by clicking, I had my command key down, I'm on a Mac, and I clicked on the arrows. So it put my first choice is the first name, and then the second column being the second sort order. So it'll be this one first and then by the last name. So whenever you do that, those two columns are sorted. You could do a similar type of thing where you want to sort by the phone number. Maybe you want to see if there's any duplicate phone numbers or duplicate names. We could have done it by that. But by choosing a column of some sort that you want sorted, then coming over to the hamburger menu, we now have a little option here for check duplicates. And whenever you click on that, it'll come up and tell you how many duplicates it found. And do you want to just highlight the records? Or do you want to show only those records? If you choose highlight, then it'll go through and any of them that have duplicates, it will highlight. If you then choose instead to show only the duplicates, then it'll do that as well. Once you've dealt with them, however you want to deal with them, and you want to clear the duplicates, just choose clear duplicates and it goes back to your normal list. So I hope this helps. You can do it on any column that is in there. You can add other columns and sort on other columns. You know, for the most part, it's probably going to be your email, your phone, your first name, last name, or your address. But definitely something that you can now do and be able to quickly find those duplicates. If there's anything else that you guys need, please reach out. We're here to help. Have a great day. Bye.